Okay, so I bought a very portable speaker from Sony with a beautiful name, SRS-XB13. And this portable speaker I will use when we are traveling and so on, having with us in the hotel room and so on the beach and so on. So this is a travel portable speaker from Sony. Pretty ordinary box, but I will unbox this and then later on even try it with my iPhone XS Max. Yes, I know that this is a quite small speaker and so on, but we needed a very portable and light speaker, so that's why. And as you can see here, it has a strap, so you can use it on a bag or something. That's nice. Here we have some instructions and so on. Nice. And this is a Bluetooth speaker, so you will pair it with your phone or iPad or whatever. So here we have a charging cable that you can use with your phone charger or anything. And this speaker uses USB Type-C for charging, and that's great because I always have a USB-C charger with me. Quite small cable though, but I will not use this cable anyway. I will use my own. But it's nice that it's in the box. And here we have the speaker itself. And as I said, it's quite light to carry this speaker. Nice. A Sony logo. Quite sturdy. Very good build quality actually. And as you can see here, power button, Bluetooth pairing, play, pause and volume up and down. And I choose a black version. You have this in very different colors. So if you want another color, you can buy that, of course. Really nice. So now it's time to try this. I will not play some music because I don't want to have any copyright issues and so on. So when I play music, I will mute it so you can't hear it. But I will try the feature to pair it and so on. So let's click on. Like so. And as you can see, it goes into pairing mode immediately. So let's go into your iPhone settings, your phone's settings if you have an Android phone, and go into the Bluetooth settings. And down here you will see the SRS-XB13. Click on that. And that was the pairing sound. So now you have paired this speaker. That's really, really fast. And as I said, we have volume up and down here. So you can choose to have that instead of raising and lowering the volume on your phone. So let's try with some music. I use YouTube Music because I think YouTube Music is so much better than, for example, Spotify and Apple Music. And the reason why is that you get YouTube Premium for the same price. You get both YouTube Premium and YouTube Music. So let's play some music, but as I said, I will now mute the video after I clicked play. and it works very, very good. It has a very good sound actually to be this small. Really good bass and everything. I'm actually in love with this very portable speaker. I think this one has everything I need for having with me when traveling and so on. So I really, really love this speaker. It was so easy to set up and so on. So I am very, very happy. And here we have the charging port, and this speaker is waterproof and dust proof, so you can have it with you on the beach and so on. So that's why this rubber lock is on the charging port, so always have it like this when having it with you and so on. But here you can charge it, and as I said, with USB type C. So I am very happy with this speaker, so I can highly recommend buying this. It's a Sony build quality, a Sony speaker, and I think it's very portable and has an excellent sound. Okay, bye.